yakari n'amashemerwa abagize b'ekibiina ky'ebyobutegetsi ekya Forum for Democratic Change FDC bari kutangirira abebembezi b'ekibiina eki abarimu mukuru w'ekibiina eki ngiriya Patrick Oboy Amuriat hamwe n'omuhandiiki mukuru wakyo Nathan Nandara Mafabi bo bari kutongoza okwehandikisa omu kibiina eki amutimbagano okubeetere e-registration omu kyanga ekya Rwenzori. Enkumi n'enkumi z'abantu aba batangirira abebembezi baabo okuruga omu Rurimi Town Council mpaka ha kishaayi ekya Kilembe Quarters Playground omu municipality ya Kasese. Batakagire ha kishaayi aha okugambaho n'abahagizi b'ekibiina babandize kutwarwa aha kitebe kikuru eky'ekibiina eki ekisya municipality n'emwe.
Nabimene mbere ya itongozi mwire tusere hano sagenda tomanyari kibanika hakati keto.
Ubabiri nagambaho n'abahagizi b'ekibiina eki ngiriya Patrick Oboy Amuriat yanagiriza abahagizi b'ekibiina kya Forum for Democratic Change omu kyanga ekya Rwenzori okukorekera kubasika kyona kurebeka ngu ekibiina eki bakiheereza obururu igana aharindi omu Bakaruuru ak'omwaka ogw'2026.
I would like to request you finally before I finish to go and continue advocating for the FDC in your community. We would like Kasese to return 6 out of 6 members of parliament. We would like Bundipujo to return 3 members of parliament out of 3.
Mbegambo bye Oboy ashoborera ngo abanyeshengero aborubajwe rukakanisa gavumenti kuba benji omu ishengero ry'ihanga nikibasa kuretera urubaju oryo mbwebembezo bwa hati rwatandika kugira birwaterezo mbwebembezi.
The stronger we are in parliament, the more threatened any regime in power will be. I want to thank all of you for turning up in large numbers. Thank you for showing Uganda that there is power in Rwenzori.
Omuringo nigwo gumwe ori omuhandiki mukuru w'ekibiina eki Nathan Nandara Mafabi ahamize ko emikono yaabo etegereize kwakira abebembezi b'ekibiina eki bari kuteekateeka ngu bakahaba baruga omu kibiina.
We need to tell you that we are in anybody, we have a party has no problem to reconcile with anybody. Those who don't want to reconcile are not members of FDC. We have only one FDC, and that is Forum for Democratic Change with headquarters in Najanakombe.
Makuraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo wa Sky TV ya Genshonga Kasese.